Hi guys, it's Rachel here at Studio Element, letting you know we put a brand new blog post up. This week we're talking about the functional movement system, and we're kind of detailing what that is and why we're using it. So here at our studio, we're doing a new assessment called the functional movement system, and what we're going to do when any new person comes in here and all of our previous clients, we're going to run them through it, and we're going to see where all their imbalances and any kind of functional movement that they have, so we know how to correct that issue as well as get you stronger and get you to the goals that you want to hit. So we are ensuring that you are safe, comfortable, and can move very effectively and efficiently. So come in and let us help you out, or come check out our blog post below. Pictures are included so you can learn how to move on your own. All right, see you guys soon.